Hello everybody and welcome back to the tech team. Okay, so in today's video we are going to have another tutorial on the intermediate series of Python. So in this tutorial and in the other intermediate tutorials that we are going to create, we are basically going to talk more about lists. So you are going to learn more things that you can do with lists. So two things that I want to mention before this video starts. First of all, my voice sounds like crap, I know that. And the second thing is that I know that in the last couple of days I haven't uploaded anything, and that's because I'm somewhere that you're going to see in a video that is coming up in some days. So I'm really excited about this video that you're going to see, and with that being said, let's jump right into the video. So in this video we are going to talk about those three things that you can see right here: pop, reverse, and clear. So let's start with pop. First of all, let's create an array that we are going to call array, and let's say that is equal to a dog and a cat. So this is an array. We can basically print this array. And what we are going to get is, array like that. We are going to get dog and cat. So what we want to do right now is that we want to pop a value. What this is going to do is that is just going to delete a value in a specific point of the array. So if you don't remember, dog is the first element of this array. Really simple. But you can see that in programming we don't call the first element of an array number 1. We call it number 0, and the cat is number 1. So if I want to delete the dog, what I'm going to do is say array dot pop, open and close parentheses, and right here I am going to say 0. So we are going to delete the first element, that is the dog. And when I run the program, we needed to print again the array. What happened? Oh my god. Print like that. Some type mistakes anyway. So right now you can see that we have dog and we have cat. Pop, I think, is really straightforward and really easy to understand. Now let's let this right here actually, and let's talk about reverse. So what reverse is going to do is that it's going to say not dog and cat, but cat and dog. So let me do something, and let's say array dot reverse, and so we just need to say reverse and print the array. And when I run the program, you can see, actually let's delete the pop right here and run the program. So you can see that we have dog and cat, and here we have cat and dog. So the last thing that we are going to talk about in this video is called clear. So what you can probably think that clear is going to do is that it is just going to delete the whole array. So array.clear and print the array. So you can see that we have dog, cat, cat, dog, oops, and nothing. So yeah, that's really it for this tutorial. I know that it was kind of small, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye everyone.